Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius, air sign. This is September weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Cancer or Libra. Very interesting. So under the deck, 5 of Wands, Tower, 6 of Cups, and Death. I think maybe some of you are in separation or no contact. It is one type of ending in relationship wise. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio here. Definitely one type of ending is here. Lot of confusion involved here. But Aquarius, you are thinking about them a lot. You're still thinking about them. And it is a tower moment for you. And there is a lot of drama is going. Inner conflict is going in you. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Maybe in recent past, the relationship between you and your person is very slow moving. I think you're very emotional and very caring person, Aquarius. I think there is no equal give and take. That could be the issue for some. And for some, it is very, very slow moving. And the present, the Empress, Three of Cups, and Justice. So you are focusing on your inner strength. You want to be in this energy, the Empress energy. For some, there is no balance in this relationship at all. Lots of you, maybe some of you, third party involved here. Maybe family could be the issue, friends could be the issue here. So you want to take your power back from Queen of Cups to Empress. So you are no more emotional and you are no more dependent on anyone, especially emotionally. Here a drastic transformation from Queen of Cups to Empress. And future, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and Six of Swords. So you are focusing on your money, partnership in businesses. So there is wish fulfillment for you, and someone is communicating for fixing things with you here, but you are emotionally very stable. You are moving towards calm waters. So there is wish fulfillment for you, and the person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Aquarius, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So their current feelings and intentions. Aquarius. Okay, and their intentions. Under the deck, Temperance, Four of Swords, Ace of Wands, and Justice. I think if you're in separation with this person, definitely they want second chances with you, and they still have a lot of passion towards you. Right now, your person taking rest. Maybe lots of you are in no contact situation. They're healing. At the same time, they're thinking about you a lot and they're being very patient here. So they're waiting for their turn here. And their current feelings, Ten of Swords, Hierophant, and Knight of Cups. Definitely, they have romantic feelings for you and they really want to offer their cup of love to you, Aquarius. They want rebirth. Definitely, here, marriage involved for some. For some, marriage could be the issue here, maybe commitment issue or stability issue here. But now your person really want to offer their cup of love to you because their intentions, 5 of cups, 9 of cups, and 6 of cups. Now they're realizing you both. Now they are suffering in silence. They're feeling very, very sad without you. So they're wishing for this connection and they are thinking about you a lot here. 6 of cups. They're thinking about marriage with you. Are they thinking you are on their mind 24/7 and you are their wish fulfillment. Now they're realizing you both. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Two, 5 of wands and 4 of cups. I'm not taking because 2 cards. Maybe a lot of drama is going. At the same time, they're missing you. There is inner conflict. Yeah, they are waiting on you. And lots of you maybe are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. So right now maybe they're not talking to you, but they're still waiting on you. High priestess, they started listening to their intuition and trusting their intuition. King of swords with temperance. Yeah, again they're waiting for their turn here. Waiting game, for some waiting game is going. Maybe you waiting for their call and they also waiting for your call. That type of situation here. Who will make the first move? That type of situation. What's happening here? Cards are flying. Okay, I'm not taking because 2 cards. Yeah, there is communication coming in. Maybe for some you both have age difference between you and your person. Definitely you are also stuck on them. And for some maybe your person is a player in and out of your life, Aquarius. Definitely both are on the same page. What I'm getting here, you also started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. Yeah, new opportunities in career, stability in finances coming, and you are guarded up but thinking about them a lot. You're stuck. So let's see mutual energies and the final outcome between you and your person. Aquarius. Okay. Emperor. King of Cups. Wheel of Fortune. 5 of Swords. Tower. I think a lot of issues involved here, Aquarius. Divine timing is the key. Definitely that's why they're being very patient. They're waiting for the right time, and for some waiting game is going, and you are on your power, but they're coming to offer their cup of love to you. So let's see some messages from your person in through the channel, Aquarius. Holding back. Twin flames. For some, you both are in twin flame journey and need some space now. So holding back, twin flames, I need some space now. These are the messages. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. The answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini energy. So the answers you need are coming especially when full moon in Gemini. A win-win outcome is your forecast. Full moon in Libra energy. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.